keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer and helps prevent freezer burn. The built-in roll storage and cutter allows you to easily make custom-sized bags. Simply insert the roll and pull bag over the seal bar. Turn the latch to operate position. Press seal. Pull bag to desired length. Slide the cutter across to cut. It's so easy to use with a 2-step operation. To vacuum seal, simply open the lid and insert the bag. Close and lock the lid by turning the Easy Lock latch to operate and press the vacuum button. Extra wide sealing strips create a strong, airtight seal and helps prevent freezer burn. The accessory port is compatible with all FoodSaver bags and containers. To use, simply turn the Easy Lock latch to operate. Connect one end of the accessory port to the handheld sealer and the other to the bag or container, and then press the vacuum button. Keep food fresh up to 5 times longer with the FoodSaver FM 2100 vacuum sealing system.
Garion Vacuum Sealer offers you the option to vacuum seal any dry or moist food and also can only heat seal a bag. Built-in cutter bar to help make a customized bag in a few seconds. The seal option is used to close packaged foods, such as chips or cookies that you may not want to vacuum seal. The seal-only option is an easy short-term bag closure tool. Open the lid and place the opened end of the bag down into the vacuum chamber. It draws air out of the vacuum sealer's bag and automatically changes operation to seal the bag after vacuum is completed. Avoid overfilling before starting the vacuum sealing process. It also comes with an accessory port feature and can work with vacuum containers, wine stoppers, and zipper bags. After finishing vacuum packing, you can take off the upper lid to clean the machine's vacuum chamber and gaskets easily and safely. The vacuum packs save the space in your fridge, freezer, and pantry for other items. It can keep foods fresh up to 5 times longer.
certified crazy. Yet that's exactly what happens when you throw out spoiled food. $3 avocados, $6 salmons, $10 steaks. YouTube makes it look so easy, but how can you cook when your food can't even survive the fridge? Introducing Fresco, the hands-free vacuum sealer. With just one touch, Fresco seals your food airtight and keeps it fresh up to 5 times longer. Fresco has optimized settings for both moist and dry foods. Whether it's meat, fish, vegetables, fruits, leftovers, chips, or even eggs, Fresco keeps your fridge full and your trash can empty. And when it's time to cook, your food comes out with all the flavor and moisture you'd expect. No freezer burn, no dehydration, and you can taste the difference.
That's cool, but can't I just get a cheap vacuum online?
You could, but you'd be missing out on Fresco's brilliant hands-free design. Other vacuums have useless steps that only slow you down. Fresco trims all the unwanted fat and does everything in just 3 steps. Simply insert your bag, press the button, and Fresco does the rest. For pre-cut bags, Fresco even seals automatically, and it does it all in just 30 seconds. For roll bags, Fresco has a dedicated seal button to use before vacuuming. For reusable bags or Tupperware, Fresco has an external vacuum with an air tube built in. When used with wine, it'll help preserve the quality and taste. Plus, while other vacuum sealers need up to a minute rest in between seals, Fresco only needs 5 seconds.
Fresco's great for beginners, but it can grow with you too. Vacuum sealing is the perfect way to marinate your food, and it's the first step to sous vide cooking. And for leftovers, instead of using a microwave, you can boil your vacuum food. It reheats your food without getting it too mushy or drying it out. Even just opening your fridge is better, because vacuum sealing makes everything smaller and easier to organize. And when you're finished, Fresco's bottom lid comes off for easy washing.
Fresco is the most affordable, convenient way to make your food last 5 times longer. Pre-order Fresco today, and the next time you watch this, you'll have everything you need to make this. Fresco, the hands-free vacuum sealer that keeps your food fresh.
Intrigue's vacuum sealer preserves freshness on your food, as a vacuum seal eliminates part of the air in the packaging container, which can effectively prevent food spoilage and deterioration. It also creates an extra space in your fridge with the airtight bag packaging. Now you can safeguard your food from spoilage and save a substantial amount of money when buying food in bulk by properly storing it. To use, firstly select the correct sealing settings. Choose normal and dry for most food. Choose gentle for delicate food, and moist for food with juices. You can also press the stop button during the vacuum sealing process to immediately halt any current function. The seal option is a great short-term closure option for sealing dry pantry items like breads that you may not want to vacuum seal. The vac seal option fully draws the air out of the bag and seals the bag once it's finished. The accessory port feature preserves food inside of vacuum canisters, and it's also compatible with wine corks. When you're finished using, you can remove the upper lid to clean the vacuum chamber and gaskets in a safe and easy manner. Make sure you store your vacuum sealer in the unlocked position to prevent compression of the foam sealing ring. Cooking and meal prep has never been easier. You no longer have to deal with so much food going bad, because with the Intrigue vacuum sealer, foods will last longer, saving you time and money.
If you're looking for a way to save money, simplify your cooking, and help your food stay fresh for longer, the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is the perfect automatic sealing system for your kitchen. This is an ideal way to save money and time with easy, organized food storage and a faster way to prep your food. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer preserves food up to 5 times longer than zippered bags or containers. It's easy to operate with its simple plug-in design, soft touch control panel, and LED indicator lights. It features 2 sealing modes for the best possible preservation based on the type of food you want to seal. Dry for solid food items, and moist for marinated, simmered, or steamed foods. Included with the vacuum sealer, you'll find the air hose, a cork wine stopper, along with 5 medium vacuum bags and 1 extra long vacuum bag roll. Both bag styles are waterproof and reusable, so you're ready to seal, store, and save as soon as you have the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer in your kitchen. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is the perfect automatic air sealing system for your kitchen. To get started, you can use either one of the 5 medium-sized pre-cut bags or customize one from the vacuum bag roll included. To customize, simply seal the first edge by placing the edge of the bag in between the vacuum chamber.
Be sure it isn't too far up or down and reduce any excess liquid in the bag.
Lock the lid into place and touch the seal button to begin sealing. Once the LED light turns off, your bag is sealed. Cut the length of the bag you need. Be sure to leave space on the end for sealing. Once you've filled your bag, choose from 2 sealing modes for the best possible preservation: dry for solid items and moist for wet items. Choose the gentle option for delicate foods that require less compression. The NutriChef also comes with an air hose and wine stopper so you can seal your leftover wine. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, the best way to keep your foods fresh and your kitchen clean.